fun Friday recipe. I'm going to be making vegan peanut butter cookie dough ice cream. So it's a really simple recipe. So what I'm going to be using today is some frozen almond milk. I've just popped some milk into some ice cube trays and I've frozen that overnight. However, you could use soy milk or any milk of your choice. Some vegan peanut butter protein from Happy Way. I've got some more almond milk just to get the mixture moving, and some peanut butter, cacao nibs and date syrup to sweeten. However, you could use whole dates if you prefer. So what I'm going to do is add everything into the blender, and I'm going to simply blend it and then add a bit of almond milk, just enough to get everything moving, and blend everything until it's nice and thick and smooth, like an ice cream consistency. And then I'm going to simply dish that into a bowl and decorate with some chocolate sauce, peanuts and